Alright guys, I'm back today with another video, and this is going to be from the company HayQueenCrowns. And before I go into all the details, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and then also make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss a video. Right now, I'm just showing you guys exactly what you will be getting in the box. You will get a wig cap, you will get an elastic band, you will also get an edge brush, and you will get aftercare instructions. So this is the Valentine Red Brazilian Body Wave 360 lace wig. I have it in the length 16 inches, and there are two densities you can choose from, but I am showing you guys the 120% in the front, and then in the back it's 150% in density. And you do get your soft lace. And then this is what the unit looks like after it has been freshly washed. Now, I will insert a picture of what it will look like when you receive it out of the box, because it's already styled for you. Because I messed around with the unit and I left it in the box, the curls did start to drop and look really crazy. So I went ahead and re-washed my unit, but you don't have to at all. You can wear it as is straight from the box. You guys are new to my channel, or if you don't know, when ordering from HayQueenCrowns, it already comes customized for you. The knots are already bleached, and you already get a pre-plucked hairline. She goes in and plucks it really good, and you also get baby hairs if you prefer to rock it like that. So the hard work is already done for you, which I love. And if you guys haven't seen the other videos I have done for her, I'll make sure to leave those linked down below in the description box so you can see the other units, and I'll try to insert some pictures of the other units that I have reviewed for the company. I'm just working on cutting the lace off of this unit. I do have a medium cap size, and if you guys need smaller cap sizes, you can always contact her and see if she offers that. Right now on the website, I only see medium. Just like if you do not care for this color, you can always contact her and ask, can you get this unit in a solid color, and she will help you out. Frontal on this unit comes over my ear, so I am just going in on the side and customizing it to fit exactly by my ear. And sometimes with most frontals, I do have to end up doing this step, especially because I don't want any extra lace or the lace coming over my ear too much, because it doesn't look natural. So I highly suggest going in and cutting above your ear. Now, if you are too scared to do this, make sure you watch enough of videos so that you can cut it correctly. If not, it will be too short on the sides, and if you want to wear it up, you don't want to risk having those problems where it's just entirely too short. Just taking my edge brush, and I'm just making sure to push the hair back, because I'm going to go in with my yellow bottle of Got to Be Freeze spray, and I'm just spraying this on top of the lace, and I'm just going around the hairline. And then when it comes to the size of this unit, I will be lifting it up for extra security, and I'll be spraying the Got to Be on the sides, and then I'll just be taking my rat tail comb and I'll make sure to smooth it all in so that I don't have to worry about any extra lace rolling up in the front. And this freeze spray dries really fast, so that's one thing I love about the freeze spray. Don't get me wrong, the gel is nice too for that extra hold, but this freeze spray, I feel like it just dries a little bit quicker. You guys can see I'm just bouncing and dancing around. My playlist was on point this day. I didn't have to skip any songs on Pandora, so I was happy about that. But as you guys can see, it's already looking really, really good, which I absolutely love. This is the parting space. I'm going to get up close so you guys can see what the parting space looks like. And like I said, she already bleaches the knots, and I didn't pluck out any extra hairs. This is the way your unit is going to come. Now I'm going to go in and work on curling this unit. I did put my Beyond the Zone heat protecting spray in the hair. You guys do not need a lot of this heat protecting because it will turn out very, very oily if you do. But I'll make sure to leave a link down below for that. And for curling today, I'm just using my old trusty cheat iron. It still works, so I'm still going to use it because I feel like I can curl better a little bit with this one. Now, I do have a smaller, similar Kaposi flat iron, but I feel like I haven't broken in yet, like I stated before. So curling with it is kind of a hassle. This one has been broken, it's been dropped, it's been, girl, it's been everything. For my curls, I'm just going to do loose curls because I want to get it back similar to the way it came curl. Now, the curls on this unit were gorgeous straight out of the package, and it will come in a middle part, but I opted for a side part today. And if I wanted a tighter curl pattern, I could have went in with my wand curl, but I did not want a tight curl pattern for this unit. So I think it's coming out good already. Now, the color on this unit, it is really gorgeous. It's nice and vibrant, even off camera. I love the way that it looks. It did bleed a little bit when I washed the unit out, but it did not bleed too much, which I was happy about. And like I said, this is a 360 unit, so you can put it up into a high ponytail if you would like, or you can just wear it the way you want to. Now, I personally don't put my units up in super high ponytails. That's just me. So now low ponytail, yes, but high ponytails, I just haven't perfected that yet. So I will continue to still work on it so I can show you guys some high ponytail looks. Always save the side that I will have the bang on for last, just because I end up trying to curl that a little bit tighter than the rest of the unit, just because I want a layered and feathered look. And these curls are not perfect. This is just some super quick curls that I'm putting in the hair. Of course, you can go section by section if you want more volume in the hair. Now this one, like I said, the back is 150% and the front is 120. I like the way she does that because I feel like it makes the hair lay really flat in the front of the unit, and it doesn't give you the balding look. Now, I personally would even go and pick the 180% density just because I would like it to be a little bit more fuller. But of course, adding curls in can definitely give you the fuller look. I'm just going in with my Care wax stick. Y'all know I use this wax stick like almost every video. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to place it at the front of the hairline, and I'm just going to work on smoothing everything out. And I'm just making sure to hold my lace down because this isn't glue, guys. It's just free spray. So if you tug it too much, it can pop off if you use a little bit too much force with it. So with me using this hot comb, I did not want to risk it just popping off. And this hot comb comes from Amazon. This is the Andes hot comb. I'll make sure to leave links down below for that also. So now I'm just going in with the edge brush and just kind of swooping it a little bit on the side. I'm really not going for a baby hair look because the hairline is so bomb on this unit. I do not want to take away from the hairline. So I'm just kind of swooping and smoothing everything back on this wig. Even though right now the wig is looking good, the hairline is popping, we wanted to pop a little bit more. We wanted to say what lace. So we are going to go in with the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette. I have the color light medium, and I'm just going to go around the hairline and then put some powder into the part just to clean it up and make it blend in a little bit more. I'm looking up and down and re-putting powder on just to make sure that the lace is blended in really well into my skin with the powder. And of course, sometimes I will stop and go take a selfie just to make sure that my lace is on point. And go in with a super defined part on this unit, but you do get your 4.5 to 5 inches of parting space in the front, and then you get 2 inches of lace in the back to play around with. So after I feel like everything is good, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm going to help control some of that frizziness because of the color on this unit. I did feel like it was a little bit frizzy, so that is my go-to serum that I love, especially for a nice sleek look. And of course, you guys know I'll make sure to go ahead and leave all the links down below for everything that I am using if I can find it. So this is the outcome of the lace and the hair. It's really nice. Look at the way it looks. Like, I'm so happy that she offers pre-customized units. It helped me out because sometimes I don't want to be bleaching no wigs, and it will help you guys out when you purchase from her. Now, I have had some subscribers purchase from her, and they have given me really good feedback on their units. This unit can go all the way up into the length 22 inches. It will last you 8 months to a year with proper care, which she does leave those instructions in the box for you. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did get a little bit of shedding. And then as far as tangling goes, I got some tangling towards the very ends of the hair. So other than that, this hair is very soft and it's easy to take care of. So I highly suggest shopping with this young lady. Guys, let me know what you think about this unit and how are you feeling it. If you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave it down below. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.